Hi guys, welcome to the How To Studio. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can remove the background from an image. Now, you can easily do this without any software. All you need is Microsoft Word. So first thing you're going to do is going to click on your picture, then you're going to go to Format, click on it, and then you're going to click on Remove Background. As you can see, there is a highlighted area in purple. So all you have to do is just drag your image to make sure that you don't remove the background of your actual image. And then you click Keep Changes. As you can see, the background has been removed. So now you can go back and click Remove Background and click on Mark Areas to Remove, and you can do a more specific removal. You can remove the little small detailed area so that you have a clean and good looking picture. So after you've done that, just go ahead and click Keep Changes again, and now you can see the picture doesn't have any background anymore, and it looks more refined, and it looks like a clean, clear picture. If you want to remove more parts of the image, just go ahead and click Mark Area to Remove and just click any specific area that you still want to remove. I hope this video was helpful. I see you again in the next video.